So I'll be using a small, so black. And it's kind of hard to see on the pattern because like you're like, oh, you got different shades of black. But I mean, yeah. Okay, so here I am cutting out the pattern so I can actually make more patterns for it. So usually what I like to do is when I buy patterns that come with multiple sizes, I basically cut them out and I trace it over another piece of paper, so that'll allow me to be able to reuse the pattern to keep the larger sizes. So yeah. I'm sorry this part might come off as a little long. The way I formatted the recording, I wasn't able to speed this part up any faster than what I wanted to compared to the rest of the clips. So I do apologize for that.
You gotta like the
Guys, make sure you like and subscribe, and also leave a comment down about other sewing videos that you would like to see. I do have a couple other projects that I do, so I'm excited to upload those as well. So let me know down in the comments if you like what you saw today, and I'll keep it up. Thank you.
Working so hard every night and day, and now we get the payback. Trying so hard, saving up the paper, now we get to lay back. Working so hard every night and day, and now we get the payback. The payback, the payback. Kisses only in your luxury. I only wanna fly first class desires. You know so I get the way we ride. Our passion, it just multiplies. There's platinum lightning in the sky, looking at me like a queen. The sky
So here's where I finished cutting out my pattern, and here I am just cutting out the pieces of the fabric that will match the pattern for my size. I used a size small, and the type of material I was using was definitely a jersey niche 4-way stretch. So I actually liked it. It's a little fabric shop that I go to here at home in Atlanta, and it's 100% perfect. I don't know why they always have fabric that I always want, but it's amazing, and I needed it for this look, and it was just perfect. So I'm just piecing the pieces all together and getting ready to sew. So here I am sewing all the pieces of the bodice together. So basically the leotard part of the bunny costume. And I use clear thread, which is basically clear embroidery thread. But for a while I've been using it because I actually like it. I know it's strange, but I kind of like it. It's kind of like if you feel like you're going to make a mistake, it kind of just shows nothing, so you can't even see any bad stitches or anything like that. So that's probably why you're like, what the heck? What the heck? I can't even see what type of thread, but that's what I was using. Right here I was using the interfacing. I use lightweight interfacing to help with the other pieces, as of the ears and the collar. So it was only one-sided fusible. I probably should have used double-sided. Probably would have made more sense at the time, but I didn't think about it that way. But here I am just ironing, diffusing the interfacing onto the fabric so it can have a little weight to it, a little hold, a little shape, a little weight. So yeah. So here I'm just ironing the little accessory pieces of just the ears and the collar. At this time, this was my actual first time using interfacing. So I didn't know that I actually needed to take the paper off. So I actually, funny note, I actually kept the paper on, which, it actually helped with what I was trying to make at the time. But now that I know that that's not what I was supposed to do, now I know. So don't make the same mistake as me in leaving the interfacing paper on. Just you're supposed to peel it off. You're supposed to peel it off. So don't do that.
You got it like that.
So I apologize for the change in scenery. I was in my room trying on the bodice and the leotard, making sure it fits nice and snug. So I already had all the materials to make the headband for the ears. And so here this is. I got it out the way. So yeah. So I'm near the end of the video and I'm about to show the final look. And this right here is the final look. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.